And perhaps one of the most contentious issues facing voters across the country is the right to reproductive freedom.
That's what Proposition 1 on the ballot focuses on. But there are a lot of questions about this and concerns over what Prop 1 would allow. CBS 13's Marley Ginter is live downtown now after speaking with both sides on this issue to get answers. Marley.
Elizabeth and Curtis, this was born out of controversy. It's a direct response to the overturning of Roe v. Wade. Now, you'll remember that historic Supreme Court decision back in June ignited protests across the country. Now, Prop 1 would enshrine reproductive freedoms in California's state constitution, solidifying the right to an abortion and contraception in California, regardless of which political party is at the helm. Now, supporters say, although there are state laws regarding abortion already on the books, those are not enough.
That might be true today, but a future legislature could change that, again, because we no longer have a federal protection. But what this amendment will do, what Proposition 1 does, is it enshrines it right in our California Constitution.
Proposition 1 is so vague and so confusing. It is recklessly ambiguous. And that's another concern of ours as well. People don't know necessarily what they're voting for.
And so the vagueness of Prop 1 has really been what many have been questioning, wanting to know, does Prop 1 really allow late-term abortion? Supporters say no. They say that the current state laws that are on the books will remain in place, that Prop 1 simply is an overarching law that will basically put it in the state constitution for freedoms to reproductive rights. Now, 17 states have already instituted a ban on abortion. That's expected to grow to 26. Again, all the reason why Prop 1 was brought into play in the first place.